Welcome to Codebay. There is no need to bend your schedule for a coding class anymore. With Codebay, the world is your classroom. Whether you're at a park, a cafe, or commuting, you can set the pace and place. Are you tired of getting lost in thick books or zoning out in long video lectures? Now, embrace our interactive approach. Every time you tap on the screen, a new idea is here. Imagine having a tutor in your pocket. And that's Codebay for you. Uh-oh, hit a snag? Don't fret. Your AI tutor, Dino, is always here, ready to guide, motivate, and enlighten. With every lesson, you will collect flashcards, just like earning trophies in a video game. Let each one be a testament to your growing knowledge. Learn and also track. Your coding journey is a canvas, and with every lesson and line of code, you will paint your path to proficiency. We try our best to make learning convenient, engaging, and rewarding. And that's who we are, Codebay, redefining the joy of learning to code. Ready to set sail on your fun, easy coding journey? Don't miss out. Tap now to download and get your first lesson free.